Welcome back, my gorgeous ones. I'm back with a fall inspired makeup look, and as you can see, I already did my eyebrows off camera. All I used for that was my e.l.f. and I believe this is in dark brown or coffee, one of those colors, but all I used was my pencil this time, whereas the last video I used my pomade. So I used my pencil and the LA Girl Pro, same color, in Warm Honey at the bottom and Fawn at the top. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. Okay, I'm just, oh, this one's kind of, just pulled right out. And I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match, and I have it in the color N7. That is N7 Classic Tan. So, I'll dab some on my hand. Try to see if I can stay in the frame. If you're wondering, I already primed my face off camera. I'm going to contour the side of my nose, and I'm using the shade Chestnut, also in LA Girl. This was the only one that they had that was like my best pick, so which is the sides of my nose. Could have went darker, but they didn't have it. So for this, I'm going to use a little bit of my brush, and as well as my blender. So for this, I'm going to go in a little up motion.
All right, so after I did that part, I'm going to add a little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me on the areas where I put the concealer under my eye. Okay, and I'm using my fluff brush, it's a powder brush, right there, and I'm just gonna So now I'm going to move into the eye. So I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild eyeshadow, the eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to go in with I'm going to use this color. Just wetting the brush a little so it can pick up all of that.
I can't do this in the frame, but let me see. Okay, I'll fix that. Let me let it bond together because the glue is still wet. So let me add the other side. That's how that look. Now this is just for the video purpose. If I was actually obviously going somewhere, I would take my time to fix the eyelash, but I think I held y'all up enough, but just so you can see how that looks. And I'm gonna be using this brown. I don't know what this is. I believe, I want to say it's Wet n Wild. Yes, Wet n Wild. And in the color 21. So whichever brown 21, that's what this is. Okay. I'm just going to apply that. I could go for a little bit of highlight just right here, but I don't have it near me. So I am going to try to, let me see. Let me see. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that gold just right here, only because I don't feel like getting up. I didn't have any intentions of doing that, so we are going to make it work. Eyeshadow or not, but you can make it work. And it's only because I'm being lazy right now. Right, I'm going to just tap that. I'm going to even apply a little on my nose. I'm sorry I keep looking at myself as opposed to looking at y'all guys, but there's this one. I think I can go for a little under here, but considering I have the gold in the inside of my eye, I don't want to put too much of a highlight. Alright, so now I'm just going to spray my face and that's it. And I'm going to be using the NYX spray. And that is in the dewy kind because we are in fall. So keep that face moisturized. And that's the finishing look. So hopefully I enjoyed this one. Until next time, bye my gorgeous ones.